Your father in my DM say I'm pretty.
Hello guys, hello everyone, how you guys doing? So guys, thank you for joining. In this video I'll be showing you all, like, there's one trending hairstyle that I want to make. Yes, packing gel, but frontal, packing gel frontal. That is what I am going to do. So guys, let's dive into this video. If you're watching from Facebook, thank you so much, and if you're watching from YouTube, I love you. So let's start. Let's.
Heartbeat speeding fast, going 90. Only you by my side. Green lights turning red, saying baby, only us in this life. 'Cause when the wind's right, seaside with my hair in the headlights. Heartbeat speeding fast, going 90. Maybe we did something right. 'Cause you're my new love, old flame, heart rush, blue wave up, stay here all night, loving you, loving me by the seaside.
So guys, I'll be using this frontal, and I actually remove it from a wig. So I wanted to make this wig, like I wanted to make this hair, but I don't have frontal and I don't know how I'm going to do it. So I have a wig that I've not been using for so long. So I removed the hair and I removed the frontal to achieve this hair. So if we are making your hair, you need your wax, like you need this type of wax. You need this type of wax to lay down your hair so flat, very well. Guys, this thing is so hot, like this thing burned my face very well this day when I was making this hair, like. And you need this hot comb. This hot comb will make your hair to relax, like to relax very well. Do you get, like, do you get it, or you don't get it? So this is me just trying to use that wax to do it very well, so that the hair will sleep and all that. So that's what basically I'm just doing. If you have not subscribed to my page, if you have not followed me from my YouTube, please do also follow me on my YouTube channel. Like and share this video. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, this is a trendy hairstyle. I don't know if I made this hair so well, because I will not be showing you guys all the things that I will be doing. Okay, I will not be showing you guys all the things, but at least I will be showing you the few things that I will be doing, and with my makeup and others. So this is me trying to coil the hair. Yes, so guys, let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. Okay, so guys, I will be right back. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I'm coming.
Heartbeat speeding fast, going 90. Only you by my side. Green lights turning red, saying baby, only us in this
when doing your makeup, this is the important part of it all. Like, I mean, this is the important part of it all. You don't need to have this. You don't need to have this Beauty by AD foam cleanser. No, you don't need to have it. All you need your normal cleanser, the one you can use to clean your face before applying your makeup. So guys, it has been long I put this strawberry, like, is this strawberry? I don't know, but I know it's a face mask. I have a lot at so I decided, yeah, because I really wanted my makeup to come out so well. Like, I've seen a lot of great content creator, like, I mean, big makeup artists, they normally do this thing. So I said, who am I not to try this, since I have them at home, because I normally use them for my skincare. I say, ew, who am I not to use this? Okay, guys, you all remember this sterilizer? I got it from Amazon, this little one, this small one. So I use it, guys. See my face, like, I like milk, like milk, like I just bust egg on my face. This is what my face looks like. And this Cosia moisturizer is a must have. Yeah, I mean, is a must have. Okay, if you have watched up to this time, thank you so much. Like, Peculiar is grateful. And this vitamin C, oh guys, you don't need too much when you are doing your makeup, or you don't need too much. But when you have them, apply them. Okay, apply them on your skin. Apply it. Okay, they are not meant for decoration. No, they are not meant for decoration. Guys, this is my face, like, after prepping, you know that feeling when you just prep your face, like, when you prep your face, when you are seeing your face before your makeup, you say, oh my god, is this me? Like, is this Peculiar Beauty, or is this, you mention your name, is this me? Oh, I'm talking too much, right? Guys, I decided to use the Beauty by AD foundation. Like I said before, the foundation is very, 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 very thick. Like, not thick like that, is very, very dark. So it's a darker shade, which is not my color. So I decided to use this Maybelline foundation to mix it, and I think it came out so well. It came out so well because I mixed it. The Maybelline foundation was very, 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 very not light. It's not too light, but it's my color. So I decided to mix it, because since I bought this thing, I think this is the second time I'm using this, and which is very, very bad, because it's very, very dark. And the concealer I'm using for my under eyes is from Beauty by AD. Yeah, I use Beauty by AD. I got really nice stuff, and this is my beauty blender that I got from Shane. I don't know if you guys remember. For the OGs, I know you guys remember this sponge, like this beauty blender. Okay, so I'll be using it small. So guys, this is me just using my to maintain my face and all that. Okay, what do you guys think about the makeup? Like, leave my hair now, let's forget about the hair for the now. What are you thinking about my makeup? I know the makeup are not finished. Like, the makeup is coming on the way, right? The makeup is coming on the way, period. I know. You don't need to tell me not. I know I am beautiful. Don't worry. Do not worry. Do not worry at all. Do not worry, okay? Because my birthday, guys, it's my birthday. My birthday is 23. Yeah. 23 of June. Mama mia, is that not amazing? So I decided to create this look for my birthday. See me, I could never measure my birthday since while talking under this background. Can you just imagine that? My birthday is coming. So guys, what do you guys have for me? What do you guys have for me? Okay, let's forget about that for now. So this is my bronzer. This is my bronzer. Like this bronzer, I can use it for how many years? It will still be with me. But if I decided to change, like if I decided to buy another type, that one there is no problem. If I get to see good one, I'm going to buy definitely. And this is my lipstick. All are from Classic 24 hours lipstick. All are from Classic. Yeah, classic lip stain and all that. So this is what my I like. I wanted, like, is that English? I wanted to go for like natural makeup, but the peculiar in me, the sweet girl in me could not allow me now. But at least it came out so well. I wanted to do something natural, but at least it's still natural. Your father in my DM say you're pretty. Your father is in my DM. He say I am pretty. Let me give you, girl. Hey, are you saying me? Guys, at this point, I was begging Obi, because it was back of me there. Please go and take me pictures. Like, I really take nice pictures. If you want to see those pictures, come to Instagram. Okay, come to Instagram there. Okay, so this is what this hair looks like, guys. What did you think about my look?
Your father in my DM say I'm pretty. Your father is in my DM. He say I am pretty. Chai! Your father in my DM say I'm pretty. Your father is in my DM. He say I am pretty. Chai!
So guys, what do you think about this hair and makeup? See, I'm just vibing to myself. Like, I'm not playing any musical, but I'm just vibing. Do not forget to follow this page, like and share. Let me know what you think about this video in the comments.